Hi, my name is Mo. I want to introduce my final project. This is a door alarm. This alarm will tell someone if you're in your room or not. So let's assume this alarm is placed at your door. First of all, this motion sensor, will sense like a motion. So if it detects a motion, it will turn on this fan. So when you are in your room, you want to press this number 1. And this alarm will say, "In room, please wait." But also this will sing Mario World. And when you're not in your room, you want to push this number 2. And this alarm will say, "Out of room, come back later," with this and singing different song. And if you click this 0, it's gonna go back to the default setting. In addition, in the box there is a potentiometer here, so you can turn on and off this alarm. So I'm gonna just turn off this alarm. Yeah, well, this is it.